Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back on this new week, almost new month. Is the last day of June. I did the recap last week of my month of June. What changed? What did I improve? What I looked to improve. And right now I'm focused on continuing doing the same and definitely making my green days bigger. Good morning, Tomato. Up 198 from last night. Very good job, my friend. Keep it up. Keep it up. Good morning, Afonso, Al Matador. Good morning, Pedro Nali. Good morning, guys. So first of all, we go on daily chart, guys. We know already is a freaking bullish things. The daily chart. There's no need to look at these things. We know that it's skyrocketing. We know that the previous days is here. We're gonna put it. Previous days low. A good chance we're gonna come back, I believe, to retest the lows. Especially in the hour chart here, we have some interesting levels that we can grab. And we have this one already on this hour chart. This is from pre-market. Let me put it here. It will be already beautiful low. We can put it as a brown color. Not that very interesting. And I'm gonna put as well London low. I believe it's 3 in the morning, not really, but let's say pre-market low. Pre-market low that is interesting. That can be an interesting pre-market low. And then here we're gonna put a previous day low. This one we're gonna put the opening print level of today. So this low is for me, it's interesting, at least for the moment. If we take it out, will be nice to look at them for longs. We're gonna be careful on this possible flag here on the hour chart. This is a beautiful, like, it will be nice, like, you know, we take out this level. It's a breaker retest as well of this area. Will be amazing. If not, the next low will be something like here. So one of these 2 hours candle here, but we'll look into it if this happens. Good morning, Mufti. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Let's start the week hopefully with a good note. Let's put the opening print level there. That is the first 3 minutes. Only 1 minute has passed. We're taking right now the lows. Let's see if it comes to be interesting, because we didn't take any highs, any previous highs here in the last few hours until 5 a.m. So we have a good chance we're gonna take some of them, but definitely the fact that right now we are taking these lows, it's getting a little bit more interesting for us. Same things on ES, they're already doing it there. But if it's not coming back right now, then it's a good chance we're coming back to these lows here. These lows and these lows as well, very close to it. That is the push to this resistance. So all the people that entered long at this push with these big candles, they're getting liquidated right now. Literally almost right now. So we're gonna wait to see if that is gonna be the case. How are you, by the way, guys? How did you spend your weekend? My weekend was chill. Chill, nice weekend, beautiful. Let's go to the stocks in the meantime. Of course, this is the NQ. The heat map is green as hell, and we're gonna see the stocks. Stocks are coming down. By the way, I noticed what I did the mistake last time, because usually when I share the screen, it was not clear. It was kind of slightly foggy, and also it was my settings. So right now we're getting some stock correction. All of them gap up, so they're correcting on their gaps, the stocks. So good chance we're gonna get a possible bounce somewhere very soon after this gap up in almost every stocks. So Amazon already filled it. Apple is close to it. Nvidia as well. Tesla, the only one that does not give a shit. I mean, did not have any gap up, that's why. As well, Microsoft already did it. took sell up there, I mean, you took the risk, you win for the biscuit, you know. What I say, you know, risk it for the biscuit. If you don't risk, you don't make money in this market. But you have to have a risk acceptance, right? You have to be like, I'm gonna accept that I'm gonna lose $150, example. Passed another evaluation, good job, very good job. I'm just waiting to see if we want to grab a few more lows, or this is enough to give us a nice bounce. That's it. Good job, man, Afonso. El Matador. What Benfica did last weekend, man. I saw your message about Benfica, but I don't know what. I don't watch football anymore. We lost 4-1. I know that Messi lost 4-0 yesterday. Just to have like a little bit of, you know, better feeling maybe. I don't know. We stopped to go down, so who knows that maybe you're reaching. We already grabbed this low. That's what was interesting. Let's see if it wants to grab a little bit more. Look at Friday price action, by the way. We grabbed these lows for this one from the hour chart. We pushed, we come back, we grabbed even more, and insanity price action on Friday. For a few minutes, you were able to make how many points there? 160 points in a few minutes. Like 25 bars of 3 minutes, insane. So good chance if we grab more will be interesting. I will definitely look for longs if we are. Yeah, let me see a daily chart. Daily chart is still green, right? Yeah. Morning, Brazilian Guiana team lost. My Perley, man, USA team. I don't know. I will never play USA team. I mean, if you play against them, yeah. Hi, I'm the trading platform from Epix. Yes. Wow. ¿Cómo estás, mi amigo? If you're Portuguese, then I'm sorry. I mean, ¿cómo estás is in Portuguese the same, no? Yes, it's Epix. I'm using Quantower connected to Rithmic with Epix account. Rithmic Epix account. Right now is 80% off if someone of you is thinking about. That's my code Hamza. And you can use it as many times as you desire. We're bouncing there. 22,800 maybe for an initial low. We'll be very ready to again another low here. We're looking for an interesting possible reaction from the market right now. I'm looking into it. I'm a long bias in this period. I don't have intention to short. And we have this trend line here. Oh, that's trend people. Many people here definitely were looking for the break higher, and they didn't get it. Portugal. We have Portugal. We have another Portugal. Afonso is there. It's from Portugal. I love when people connect in my channel. I love it. I love it. Finally, Afonso was looking for it last week. He was like, is someone from Portugal here? Like, yes. Faro. From Faro, from the south. And I think Afonso from Benfica. Benfica is Benfica, yeah, no? Oh, no, right? Is that right? I'm so confused right now. Lisbon. Benfica is from Lisbon. It's a team name, a name team. I'm sorry, ignorant on this. Caralho. Good morning, guy, man. Good morning, guys. Lisbon. Look at this beautiful candle, guys. $66 there with one micro contract. I'm looking to see. This is a beautiful candle for a long. Risk incentive free to make at these highs here 92. That's at least more than one at least. But I'm gonna wait for a little bit better one. I would like to see a little bit of a more push, and then I will look for an entry, not yet long. But that's beautiful, beautiful situation here. I like this long. That's a beautiful long there. We might get a nice run back higher. I'm looking into it, but I'm more very relaxed into it. Very relaxed. I'm not rushing on it position. I have time to get a long today. I wish interactive platforms offers this kind of tools for trading, like topstep, TP, stop loss, and trail. EB, like you mean interactive broker? So you're trading with your own personal money, right? Interactive broker does not have a take profit, stop loss. Seriously? No, they should, right? They should have a bracket orders. I'm so confused right now. I thought that they had all this. I mean, I was using interactive broker platform 3-4 years ago. So complicated. After a while, you get used to it and you enjoy it and you like it. But beginning, wow, complex shit. Money brokers for the 2K, you're growing kind of fast. The last 2 weeks, not that much, but good morning, Mali. Mali as well is Italian Brazilian, so you can speak Portuguese with Joao e Afonso. Guys, I like this candle. I'm liking this candle. This candle is getting interesting for me. If this candle turns to be green, I might use it as an entry and stop loss will be below it. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, guys. Very chill right now, not pushing any trade. Let me put the microphone in front of me because I'm just speaking. In reality, I'm speaking in front of me here. Okay. Play the music, focus to help. I have a background music instrumental. You can hear it now. Then I put it lower. But I don't listen to it. It's just really background music for YouTube. Where is it? Okay, here. Coming back. It's really for YouTube. To not to don't make like if I don't speak, there is no sound. It's there. Answer type of candle. Yeah. Did you change camera? You look more high definition. No, usually I am that it's my phone, but I clear my lens today. I was like, you know what? Let me change something here. I like this candle, by the way. How many? I need 4 contracts. Yeah, I like this candle. I'm gonna use it as an entry. Stop loss will be $200. And TP will be the next. If we get the push. If we get the push. If we get the push above that candle. I swear to you, I was like, you know what? Today I'm gonna clean my phone camera. And I was like with my shirt. Does it make that big change? Shit. I swear to you, sometimes I'm so dumb on these things. So much potential in these channels, but I'm dumb in some things. So forgive me. So hopefully all these people that are shorting right now, all these people that are shorting, they will get stopped out, and I will be happy to enter. Let me enter with you. La 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 la. 50 minutes candle closing in 2 minutes, and as well dump me. I didn't check for the news. Let me see the news time here. Monday, no news. No, 9:45 PMI and 10 a.m. No speech. 9:45. Oh my, yeah, guys. Okay, we're gonna have news at 9:45. Target duration up 350 about to lock myself out. Too many weeks on these candles. It's getting interesting for, yeah, this is not the type of things that you usually like, Tomato. You like one direction right away. Hopefully we can get a nice continuation here. Look at this short. The long is not coming. The long is not coming. What are we gonna do here? I'm trying to go to the video. Okay, that's okay. News out in 1 minute, 28 seconds. I'm gonna leave the order there. I still like it more. People getting stopped out there. I'm gonna take it. Asian low hit. I'm trying to go to my live here to see where the heck is my YouTube video. It's not 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. News is out. As always, it's not that special. We're always scared of these news at 9:45, 10 a.m. and 90% of them are nothing. 90% of them are nothing. Rally news, rally may hopefully higher. Even right now, I like this situation. Right now, even the taking again, these people that went long here, getting stopped out. Hopefully, we're gonna get our real long. We took even this low here. Will be very interesting now to grab the next highs. Let's see. We have time. We have time. Long could be good here. Hopefully, if we get filled, that will be nice. I like the fill here above this candle. I will still keep the stop loss as that candle low, 823. Interesting situation right now. If these things come back that strong, that looks interesting for me to come back higher. If it does not, good morning everyone. Let me remove the order, by the way, just to don't forget it there. If something happens, but the idea is to go long above this candle. But you know, if another candle comes in that is more interesting with better risk reward, I will be happy to enter. Especially if this one breaks above and continues higher, I will be happy to add. Hi guys. Tomato, how is your mental situation, my friend? I'm so invested on you right now. I'm so invested on you, on your progress. Look, I can make psychology lesson master coach only for you for only $5,000 per hour, just because you are my friend. Feeling good about that. I like to hear that. I like to hear that. Good job, man. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Follow your plan. Follow your rules until the end of the month. July, make it the month of your life change. July, make it the month of the month you're gonna remember for the rest of your life, being the month you become the trader you wanted to be. Make it July your month. Make it a month that in 1 year you can speak with your friends and be like, July last year, I changed and I became a different man. Hello, Andy. Let's go, guys. We are still waiting right now. This thing is going lower. Let's check the stock situation, market situation, and from 5 minutes chart is still very weak, but we still have, oh my God, what's happening here? We're still retesting this area on the 30 minutes and 1 hour. So on a higher time frame, we're really good in a retesting area. But of course, right now it's getting even more lows getting liquidated here. These lows here that pushed for the break of this resistance are getting liquidated right now. The 800s levels are so interesting. I like the 800 levels. And the stocks itself, they dropping, they're coming down, they're selling off, most of them, not really Tesla, not really that much Microsoft. Well, the others, yes. Let's see these 800, and they're looking interesting for me, yeah. They're really looking interesting. Answer, see the 30% drawdown rule for one trade or whole day? One trade, not one trade, open position on that moment. One trade. I believe you're not someone having multiple trades at the same time. It's one trade. Let's say, for example, you can blow up one PA in one day by following your 30% rule. Let's say you have, I believe you know the rule, right? So yeah, it's a singular trade, yeah. So you can, if you're really close to hit the 30%, you can average low, like remove some contracts and still be in the trade, but not hit the 30% rule because you're removing some contracts for you know. I had a great weekend, and tomorrow I'm going to Italy, guys. So I'm gonna see my parents. So I'm very happy, guys. Longs here at 800 are interesting from my point, guys. We can aim for these. What is 200? 200 is like 1-to-1 risk reward to get these highs. Yeah, guys. This week I will be in Italy from tomorrow, inshallah, tomorrow evening, and then on next week I will be in Ibiza in Spain, but not party, only working. Not the party Ibiza, the working Ibiza. But I'm from Bergamo, the north of Italy. I'm from there. From the north of Italy. Na, 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 na. Workaholic, man. We have to make money, man. We have to make money. I need to work on other things. Trading is not everything. I try to make more money in different source. Lago di Garda, not far from it, 1 hour from it, closer to Lago di Zio, but very as well 1 hour from Lago di Garda. All around the world, Hamza. Yes, my friend. That is the good side of working remotely, not trading, because I'm not making money from trading. Not like last year at least, but at least my remote job allows me that, so that's good. Was there 1996 European Championship? 1996 and sailing European Championship? Wow, 1996 in Lago di Garda. What do you mean? You were sailing? You personally sailing? Like you were the one competing? Lately, I've been spending time only in southern Italy. I mean, Italy is amazing. South of Italy is beautiful. The food is amazing. The weather and the beach are amazing. If you can work remotely from there, life is good there. You can have, amazing food for nothing. Guys, we're getting the bounce. This is an interesting bounce. Entering long here would make me risk less than 1-to-1. Bit of too risky. I mean, I can get in, but aiming for these highs will be the more the one that makes more sense. And this high here, no, a bit too risky. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see a bit more price action. So tanta. Okay, sorry. No. Sorry. No, Luca. Shelby is Italian, so he's joking about his origins. Truly, truly amazing food. I always need to go for a run, gym, because I hate, man, yes. Man, I went to Sicily and was the food was insane. A fazer trading da vida ou a tentar pelo menos? But this is the question for Joao, I think, because I don't understand. I'm thinking he's trying to be a trader all your life, or pelo menos. I don't know. I don't know. It's Portuguese. Pelo menos. Who the heck they say these Portuguese people, you know? Let's see what this candle forms. I would love these candles. Working in IT and trading since 2022. We are not that far. I started before you, 2020, I believe. I was in IT. I stopped. I do kind of customer support / IT right now, but more IT wise. But yeah, but luckily it's full remote for me. So guys, this is good. It's looking interesting, but this candle has too much time to, you know, because if this candle has a good wick, I can use it as an entry, and a stop loss will be there below the candle and aiming for this. So the risk reward makes it interesting, only for that. But this candle is closing in 1 minute and 20 seconds here on the lows. You see it? So in 1 minute 20 seconds, everything can happen. It can go up, lower. So I need to see it first closing and then looking for an entry. Look right now. Look at that bounce. So right now it's getting less interesting. I'm still okay, but if it keep pushing like that, I won't take it. You're remote from us. Oh, that's amazing, man. I mean, do you have a family? I mean, if you have a family and everything, I mean, living then in Portugal is great with a good salary, high salary. Friends, let's go, Tomato. Lock yourself out, man. Get the heck out of here. So what is this? 172 risking for 154, less than 1-to-1. Not gonna take it. This is interesting if I think that this can go higher here at the entries. That's what the only things I'm thinking. It's that makes it interesting only for that. If I think about NQ possibly coming back at the opening print level of today and higher. That's the only things I think. This will be an interesting, would have been interesting if it was gonna break somewhere here, looking for these highs, risking 120 to make $200. If not, we leave it there. Lock yourself out. That's beautiful. Oh, how much is good to lock yourself out and be done. You know, it's good. It's good. I mean, Faro. I've been in Faro once. I've been in Faro, and I've been not in Faro City. No, I've been in the south. I've been in Porto. I've been in Lisbon. On the south, I drove. I remember I drove. I drove from Lisbon up to the south and the coast. I went to where they, you know, there's the big waves, but not the correct period. It was interesting to see it. Beautiful. Portugal is beautiful, guys. Portugal is so beautiful, and the food is great. I love fish, and they have a lot of fish dishes. I really don't remember the names of the little cities. I remember Lagos for sure because it's one of the biggest. Albufeira, maybe I remember. I think Albufeira is where I stayed, but I'm not really sure right now. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Another interesting candle, guys, for our entry. How much is this risk here? But still, these candles, they push before us 124 to make 160. It is interesting, but that's it. It's still pushing without us. 142 to make 140. This is really on the limit of the 1-to-1 risk reward. 1 minute, a bit to 140. 136.40, literally same, 1-to-1. Good chance it's gonna break it before. Yeah, look at that, like always. It doesn't want for me to wait, like at that. I don't use any indicators. I don't use any indicators. Yeah, you're right. I just look at the candles and price levels, and that's all. The only things I use is on this side, the champions indicators from WealthChart, that are WealthChart indicators, and they show me directional wise, right? That's the only things I get. Like I look at the 1 hour, I'm like, okay, everything's green. 30 minutes is everything green. So I'm more bullish than bearish. So that's what I'm looking for. But that's all. The snake indicator. The snake indicator is not working today, guys. The snake indicators, I'm not using. Right now you see the snake. Look at this. I had the right idea here of long to grab these highs. But the candles forming, none of them was interesting for me. So still, I mean, still not out, but we will see. These 800 are interesting because we grabbed a lot of lows here. We really grabbed all these lows. We're retesting. So would have been interesting this 800 to use it as a bounce area, but yeah, right now we just wait. Best indicator as well. We have the dragon indicator, but in the last period has not formed a lot. But right now we have the snake indicator. Might be this type of snake today. And maybe it's a happy snake and it goes higher. Yeah, Agenlo's here too. That's one of the things. Elliott waves and volume. Never used Elliott waves and volume. Would be interesting to know something about that. I really like these highs, the 846 to the test. That just did not take them. It is what it is, but if there is another interesting, like coming back, creating a nice candle again, give me a good risk reward. Yeah, I don't wanna risk 200 to make 100. You know, I like to have a proper risk reward. I avoided losing trades in the last month. I would like to make my green days bigger if I can. That's the idea. If it reverses on Asian low here and goes higher, I'm happy to take any interesting candle above this low. Any interesting candle above that low, I'm interested to take it. Look at this 50 minutes chart. We are holding the previous 50 minutes. We're holding it right now, 832. Oh yes, oh, I'm falling asleep. Wait, I need to close the door. Somehow it opened. Nice. Think as well. Welcome everybody, guys. Remember, a like in the video helps a lot. A like helps a lot. Just a little like to the video. Forming an upside down head and shoulders. Forming. I read forming. Yeah, it can be. I saw it as well from ES here. It might be a possible head and shoulder. So if the candles come back here, you know, take some longs here again, I'll be happy to take a long. Next stop 850. Yeah, this is 850, the interesting one. Is that a shampoo brand? Which one? Ah, head and shoulders. I know, honestly, it is my shampoo that I use every time. It's a head and shoulder. It's forming a head and shoulder. I think I understood what he saw then. He saw, you can see it here, is a head and shoulder formation. It opens and it's squeezed higher here. Head and shoulder formation. Shit, guys, I didn't see that. I really didn't see that. I'm very sorry, guys. A lot of consolidation right now there. This market is just waiting to break somewhere. Ah, that's me. That's me only losing some of the part of my body. Are we gonna come tomorrow's news? They need a break for real. We need something to get a haircut from here. Long from Chuchu 8107. I love this long. I love the long idea there, man. What is it here? You already took there 26 points at the highs. So you're holding right now. Wish you the best, brother. Wish you the best. Wish you the best. I'm looking if I see something interesting. If something comes up, I'm gonna take the trade. If something does not come up, I'm not gonna take a trade. I'm not gonna take a trade. Now that you said it, the market watchers are looking. 817, 807. Let me put an order. If I took a buy long here, I'm not gonna get, you know, it's not coming to fill me. Oh, yo, it's coming a bit too fast. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God, I would have getting filled right away. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was my fault. I'm sorry. I almost got filled. Luckily, I removed it. This is getting an interesting candle now for me to get filled long. It's a bit aggressive, even not 1 minute finished. Let me finish at least 1 minute. If I want to be aggressive, risk it for the biscuit. This candle will be the risk for the highs, not only for this one. Let's leave the candle close. Let's don't get FOMO. Let's don't get FOMO. Let's stop taking shitty trades. Stop taking shitty trades. The funny thing is that now I look, I'm like, oh, this candle is even interesting as well. If this break this candle here, this stop here. No. Man, ICT came from your stop loss, man. ICT. My God, there are some people that follow that guy and buy his course. The guy that he said that he will win so many Robin Cup, and I think I've never seen him won anything. Anything. Yeah, I'm looking at these. I need to. It's gonna be a risky trade, but I like it for the highs. Then I'm gonna look for this massive flag here we're having in the hour chart. So if this comes back to be an interesting candle, I'm gonna risk it for these lows. This is an head and shoulder, like you said. We stopped all these Asian lows, and as well we are coming back. Stopped Mufti the cat. 2.10. 48 seconds. I will look for this long, but I will look for these the highs of the day here. If I have to reduce contracts because I cannot risk that much, my risk is always $200 no matter what. How much is that? $200. A bit higher with commissions. A bit more if it keeps pushing right now. It's a bit okay. Free contracts. $162, and I can add if I like it more. Good luck, good luck, good luck, guys. Good luck. All these people here were faking out on the flag here in ES. Let's see. What is your? Are you still long or you got stopped out in break even? What happened to your trade, my friend? At least you're taking a trade, so I have to speak about someone in a trade right now. I'm not in a trade. Let's get all these people stopped out, okay? Let all these people get stopped out. Let's all the people that are trying to short at this level of the 800 get stopped out. Okay, we're getting longs there. We're gonna get filled. Like if this candle is interesting, I will move even my stop loss below that one later on. But I need this break to happen right now. This break above 2 weeks. Oh baby, come on. $165 loss. Let's take it. Let's take it. We're holding. We're getting filled, guys. We're gonna get filled. 840s are there. I swear to you, if I get slippage on this fill, I will be okay. Don't. Okay, I got slippage. 2 point slippage. No, 2.50 slippage. But my loss was reduced, so I'm okay with it, luckily. Good luck, everyone. Let's see if we can get these highs. That first high there. Wish you the best. Wish you the best, everyone. We're getting these highs. This is a bit a riskier trade. I'm risking less. $180 right now with the slipper. 170, 80, no, 84. But hopefully we can get a nice push. Oh, that's a beautiful candle. Let's push it. Bam, 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 bam. Let's hopefully push. That's beautiful. I might even move my stop loss at 824 very soon. I will go flat here. It's definitely possible of liquidity grab and coming back lower. I will be careful on this trade. I'm just being careful right now, to be honest. This is a flag as well on ES. After faking it out here, hopefully this is the break for the highs. And we want to grab these highs at 650s, 250s. Definitely will be nice to take some profit at the opening print level if we get it. That will be already 1-to-1 risk reward. What is your take? Your take profit is this high or this high? 115. Wow, man, wish you the best. Hopefully yes. Hopefully yes. Definitely a lot of resistance there. We need something that pushes us. If this candle is interesting, I can add to it and move my stop loss below it. But I need this candle to be interesting for me to add. Let's see. 22912. Okay, you're much higher. Wish you the best, my friend. That will be very interesting if we get it. Can we get it? So I can be with you. I will celebrate before you if we get it, but I will be happy to celebrate with you after you celebrate with me. Nice bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Can we get this candle reversing? I would be happy to take a long above it. If not, right now I have to be careful on flattening my position and look for the next entry. Very, very careful. I how many contracts I have there? If I move to 5 at this long, I have $155, so I can add 2 contracts without problems. I might have to flatten my position and look for another entry, guys. If this Sphinx is reversing on me like that. Don't like it? Don't like it? Don't like it. I don't like it. I'm just trying to be careful. Can you reverse? Nah, it doesn't want to reverse. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's a beautiful candle. But I might flatten if it breaks it below. Add if it breaks above. Come on. Looking into it. I'm already kind of ready to lose half of my loss. Somewhere here, 60, how many contracts? $63. That means $120. Somewhere here, probably I will gonna cut it at $100. If the candles come back and be aggressive, making lower slow here, I'm gonna might close it out. Oh, I almost clicked on flatten. I almost clicked on flatten. Okay, that's nice. Push. 850s are a problem. If we break them, I'm adding for sure. If we break them. If we don't, I can flatten and re-enter. I'm gonna flatten it, call myself out for the moment. If the candles comes back and forms an interesting candle for me to enter, I can re-enter. No problem of losing, what is it, $60? $40. Oh, that's a great loss. Yeah, it was not interesting anymore. If you had to break and go skyrocketing. That means we didn't stop enough buyers or shorters. So right now we're out. We'll look for the next trade. Great cut for the moment. I was thinking to get out anyway around this area. So Missam Hussein, yes, every day from 9:30 to 11 a.m. New York session time. So from the opening to 1 hour and a half from the New York session. That's when I trade. That's when I trade. We'll see. We still have a look at these candles, how they form. Give us a little bit more confirmation. Still in Colombia, bro? No. I'm in Luxembourg now. I'm in Luxembourg. I'm traveling most of the time. So tomorrow I will be in Italy. Tomorrow evening for a week, and then Spain next week. Guys, great stopped out for the moment. That's what I wanted to do, reduce my losses. Let's see if it's gonna, oh my God, sorry. If it's gonna stop me out, but that's really, it grabbed all these people. That's what I liked at the beginning. When I said here would have been the best trade for me, is this candle being good enough for me to come and grab these highs. I would have been a perfect trade, but unfortunately, it is what it is. It didn't do it, so we have to accept it. So right now I'm just waiting. We're in Luxembourg. Yes, Luxembourg live. One of the safest country ever. Wait, what Fayaz? Yeah, no, Fayaz, I will visit there someday. You will, brother. Inshallah, you will, and more and much more. Visiting cultures, countries, people is the best things. Is the best things. Really the best things ever. When you meet people and stuff like that. Looking at this entry before 184, 127, interesting situation there. Let's see what he wants to do. My stop loss would have been still here at this low. So still I would have not getting stopped out, but I do believe it's gonna come lower, but what I believe is nothing. The market does what he wants to do. You know, it was my dream life as well before. It was my dream life a year and a half ago. A year ago, it was my dream life. I went to Asia, I was backpacking, my friend, and I met people that showed me that it was possible. The fact that I saw people in real life doing it, I was like, it's real, I can do it. Before it was just a dream, you know, people on YouTube, people on Instagram, you're like, oh, maybe these are just all fake. But when you see them in real life, you're like, it's possible. You can do it. Riveriera? What do you mean by that? Riveriera. Oh, we're coming down. Oh, we're coming down, guys. Coming down. Oh, that was amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was oh my God, guys. I saved myself a beautiful $200 loss there. What a river? No. River. No. Italian. I think he's speaking about something else. What a beautiful loss today. For the moment, we saved ourselves from a huge possible loss. Very, very good. Portofino. The Amalfi Coast, yeah, the famous Amalfi Coast. You know, I never been there. But I will one day, you know, with my beautiful old Italian car, without the top, driving with my sunglasses, and me that I made the morning, you know, $20,000 trading, stopping, aperitivo time. That's the Italian life. In Italy, they live a good life. You know, that is what I think many times is that USA is such a richer country, but as a type of life they're living, I believe from my point is lower than Italy. The food quality, the life quality, the stress quality, it's much better in Italy. In Italy, it's true, many people earn much less than USA, but at the end of the day, they spend time in the evening with family and friends in a good place, with a good weather, with some good food that is natural. USA people get sick just because of their food. Their food that they sell in USA is not even accepted in Europe. It's illegal for the chemical things. Good stop, yeah. Great stop here. Great call. When I saw that this break is not anymore, this break has been excessive. I'm sure that's why I handled this trade like I did now. Oh, this is getting interesting for me, guys. This is getting interesting. I might look for longs again. That's getting interesting, guys. Look at this ES liquidating these people. Oh. Might be interesting for me, guys, to go for a long, but I mean, it's a bit aggressive again. But here, for the highs again, if this ES is a fake breakout, lower, grabbing more lows. Oof. It's a fake out. It's a fake out. Run, run. I'm gonna try it. And my stop loss will be here, just below this 807. The tip will be here at 848. Still bearish. Looking just at this high here. I'm long. Good luck. Maybe I get stopped out quick, but maybe no. Risking 187. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I get stopped out quick, but I like that candle. Let's see if I get destroyed today, guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wish you the best. Market, be with me right now. Be with me. Be strong with me. Okay. Tomato, this is on you. This loss is on you. It's a fake out. You know, it reminds me like a war situation. It's a fake out. Run, run. It's a fake out. We're gonna get stopped out. Si, senor. Good luck. I'm looking. Let's see. We're still alive. I'm still alive until we don't get stopped out. It's riskier. We're looking in for these 847 50s to get hit. But you know, are still stuck in this. Let's see. It's a very aggressive, this one. Definitely this was aggressive. Hello, Hope. Longs are still stuck in this. Would want to see a bear flag break and then recover for a long. I looked for this bear flag on ES, to be honest. This is my entry signal here mostly. I'm like, this fake breakout here, and that's what I'm looking for. And I'm like, let's get the same things on as an entry. The entry signal, the candle here in NQ. Let's see. Let's see. Well, hopefully that's why. Let's see. It doesn't want to break the previous candle. There, at least give me a green candle. Come on, come on. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. Buyers, step in right now. Good luck, you. Good job. Good luck with your work, my friend. I'm leaving soon as well in 2015. This trade is gonna close in 5 minutes because it's gonna stop me out. So I will go back to work as well. Luckily, I still have a job. Abrazo, un abrazo, un abrazo. A la mañana in Spanish. A la mañana, mi amigo. Let's see how it goes here. Obrigado, Alfonso. Obrigado. Obrigado, mi amigo. Que te pasa un buen día. Hey, come on, we push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Let's make some money. Oh, please. Let's make some money. Ooh, here we go. Hopefully. Come on, market. Give me a nice, strong candle pushing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You need to stop more people to go lower? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Make it happen. Market, make it happen. Get me this long, get me this long, get me this long, get me this long. Please give me this long. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Please get me this big liquidity. Let's go to TP, let's go to TP, let's go to TP. Let's go to TP. Let's go to TP. Add to your position. No, I'm gonna remove it. 847, everything there at this week here. Even a little bit lower. A little bit lower here. That at that week. Please, don't play with me, market. Don't play with me, market. If you don't feel me by the last 2 points, piece of crap, I'm gonna... You need to sing more. You need to sing more. Please go to the highs. Make it happen. Take my take profit right now. Take my take profit right now. Push a little bit more. Push a little bit more. I swear, if I get stopped out, this is gonna be the fault of someone of you. The someone of you. I'm gonna scream at you. How much was the profit there with 5 contracts? How much I reached of profit? $200 exactly. But let's try to get a little bit more. Let's try to get a little bit more. See, I was right. Fallout won't tell you move your stop loss. I can't agree with him. Fallout will tell... I like this. Rushinko's like, Fallout will tell you to move your stop loss. And Fallout comes, move your stop loss. I love it. You're an amazing group, guys. We know each other very well right now that we do these kind of things. Absolutely insane. I'm still like this long. We still didn't grab any of these highs in ES, neither in NQ. I'm gonna give it yet still my stop loss. Is it gonna be risky? Maybe yes, but we still didn't grab anything in ES. After we grab these lows, let's give it time. I said to you, that was funny, right? I was like, Rushinko, I think Fala will tell you here that he will ask you to get a stop loss and break even. Let's make this candle back to the highs. Oh, that's very annoying if it comes back like that. Come on. You give us a beautiful candle. How much you had to give us when I had my stop loss? It's like 2 points and 25. What the heck? Really, 2 points and 25? I mean, am I greedy to look for 2 points 25? I don't think so, but it's the market. It wants to play with some emotions, some more emotions. I still like the long idea, We still didn't take anything. We still didn't take anything in ES. If we grab something in ES, I would be like, yeah, I messed up. Maybe I should have taken something, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. New candles, new 3 minutes candle there. Hopefully we get the, big push candle, red candle, big push green candle. I really don't remember how it's called. The 1, 2, 2, 3 candles. 1, 2, 3 candles signal. Is it 1, 2, 3 candles? Right? It's like one big one, one small red, and one big one again green. Let's push together. Push, 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 push. Let me do it. Let me do it with you guys. Let me do it with you here. Maybe it's gonna do it right now. It's working out. It's working out. It's working, right? It's not working. It's not working, guys. We're gonna get stopped out. It's still a good trade for my point. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna remove these pinks here. Let's leave it there. Oh, that's so annoying that we were so close to TP. We're so close to TP. We got stopped out. That would be very, very annoying, but it is what it is. How is the 5-minute chart? 50-minute chart looks even good, to be honest. And my stop loss is below this 50-minute chart candle. It's coming back. Falat is like, I told you to move your stop loss to break even. I told you. Falat's gonna kill me, guys. Falat's gonna kill me. The only things I'm thinking is reduce my loss to below this 812. That's what I'm thinking right now. That makes it like $132. You have no idea, I can't tap fast enough. Oh, I love you guys. I love you. I love you all. I answer. I have improved a lot in 2 months. No greed, no fear, taking proper realistic targets. I love that. I mean, my target here, to be honest, was realistic enough, but yeah, guys, thinking my stop loss will be below this candle here. This is a like candle, but I like what you say, Tanuj. I think as well I moved away from a realistic take profits. Really, my unrealistic take profit ran away. Shit, what happened? I moved this back. You know, I stopped out myself in advance. I removed myself from a big loss. I went long. It took these things. I didn't take my profit for a few points, and then now it's reversed on me, against me. Bullshit. Bullshit, guys. Long mort, yeah. Let's see how it moves, but damn it. So I'm not really a Forex option guy, so I really don't know about Forex option. I know that the basic prop firms have gold futures and the main dollars currency exchange. Like Apex has dollars, pound dollars, New Zealand, dollar Australian, something like that. But they don't have like New Zealand, Australian, or this kind of mix of. Guys, I'm thinking I'm gonna call myself out from this shit. What a bullshit. I'm out. Call myself out. Easy, yes, it's just really just gone lower. We were so close to take profit there. We're so close to take profit. My stop loss would have been like at 813. I'm just anticipating it. I'm out. Does it change the month result match? Month of my being green on the month? No, I'm still green on the month because I cut my loss very well today. I'm still green on the month. Like $180. I'm still green. I'm still green on the month. But okay, $128 there. Somehow I was expecting a bit lower. But today, great on cutting losses in advance. Could have done better here with fall at break even. Good chance. This would have been a stop loss here. This can be another fake out if this thing comes back. But unfortunately, this was a beautiful push. Was I greedy to grab a little bit more? 2 points? That's annoying. Annoying. But at least we managed the loss. I would say it's great anyway. I've heard Fitmo is good for gold and tonnage. Yeah, I mean, most of the prop firms have gold. You can trade gold with Apex, with Topstep, with whatever prop firms you think. So you can choose to trade, one of those. If you decide to trade with Apex, you can use my code. Remember that. But if you decide to trade with Forex prop firms, I really don't know. I don't know them, so I cannot push myself to advise you one. My advice is always stick with old prop firms that have been there for a long time. That's my advice. India is accepted in Apex, yes, I believe. Yes, it's accepted. We have a few from India here. What the heck am I saying? Yeah, guys, very great long. Great long here, stopped out in break even. Not really the best. My best long would have been somewhere here, I think. Great long here. I was too greedy? I don't know, guys. It was already more than 1-to-1, by the way, the risk there. I was risking 175 to make, and I was already at 190. That's not lucky. This fence is coming back lower. For the moment, the read of the market was totally right. Very happy with it. Yeah, that's. It has some currencies, but it's future currencies. You have to look at future currencies. See, it's like 6AE, 6A, 6M. All of these are futures forex. Greedy. I'm like shit. That can be good. Yeah, man. Here I was greedy, maybe for 2 points. I was like, let's see. Are you from, Hamza? I was born in Morocco. I grew up in Italy. I lived in UK. I lived in Luxembourg. I lived in France. And now I kind of live in Paraguay. But I travel full time. That's all for today, Hans. We'll come back tomorrow for another family time. Yes, Afonso. Obrigado. And see you tomorrow, my friend. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy it. I'm like done. Yeah. My stop loss was here lower, but I will be honest, I would have getting stopped out even here. So it's kind of saving my loss here. These pins can go higher again. Yeah, maybe yes, but this is speculation of what happens after. Like really from Marzuga. So these things can go back higher 100%. Do I care? No, I don't give a shit. Market, I'm done with today. I take my 2 trades, and my rules is very fixed. 2 trades per day. Take them, respect them, and call it a day. So that is my time to call it a day, guys. If you're coming tomorrow, 9.5 New York session, come here back again. We trade with risk management, correct execution, like we did today. To be honest, if you go around today, you're not going to see many people printing that they made money. You're going to see probably many people blowing accounts, but market is not easy to read. Hey, my stop loss was still active. My trade was still there. No, I'm just joking. I don't care. On a way that what I've done good anyway, because my idea was here, but the trade is still active. But whatever. We'll see during the day. Guys, have a beautiful day. And remember, if you're using Apex and you want to use Apex, my code is this one, is 80%. There's 80% now. I don't know if there is going to be a 90%. Maybe yes, maybe no. If it happens, I will let you know. If it does not happen, I will let you know. And for the rest, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Yes, just remember, guys, days like this are shitty to trades, but the only things you have to do is survive. So, for example, today I lost $130. That's a great loss. If tomorrow, for example, I take another trade and it's like easy read, easy done, usually I don't take out with minus than $200, right? So with one trade tomorrow, I can recover the loss of today with 2 trades I've taken because I managed my risk. You know, we cannot be right every time, but we can be there to manage our risk and survive. Survive. This year is one of the hardest years to trade. If you survive, you're making it. See you guys.